Ano ang sabi? Today, let's feature an SUV that is full electric. It is eye-catching, and let's ask what does it have to offer to make you say yes to this electric vehicle. Pag-usapan natin yan kasama ang Dongfeng 14th Friday. Let's go!
So high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
Kung di pa po kayo nagsasubscribe sa channel ko, please do consider subscribing and hit that like button. Maraming salamat po. What I like most about electric cars is that it's simple purpose. Kung ano yung dapat niyang gawin para sa iyo araw-araw, nagagawa niya with you having nothing to worry about. Kasi ganun lang siya. Gamitin mo buong araw, tapos pag uwi mo sa bahay, charge it the whole night. In the morning, a fully charged car is ready to be of service for you the whole day. Kasi talagang mas sobrang laking bagay yung alam mo na di mo kailangan gumastos sa gas para makarating sa lugar na pupuntahan mo. There is that certain level of comfort and peace of mind in that aspect. Looking at the 14th Friday, talagang pag nakita mo siya sa kalsada, lilingunin mo siya. Mapapasabi ka na, electric. Tapos mapopos ka sandali for a second maybe, tapos mapapasabi ka na ganda ng forma. Inside, outside, every angle, masasabi mo na it is a well-designed car. Dito sa front fascia niya, eye-catching talaga tong design ng headlights niya. Yung pagka-sharp ng design is more on not so serious look compared to other SUVs na may pagka-boomerang style ng mga headlights. It is composed of different set of lights that includes the DRLs. Lahat po ng mga yan, LED of course. Since this is an EV, no need for the massive front grille dahil hindi naman na siya required humigop ng hangin para sa makina dahil ala nga siya nun. Kaya very modest I can say ang front grille niya. I like the orange design accent niya sa baba at talagang malinis ang look niya. Masarap sa mata tignan. Sa side profile naman niya, of course, the wheels are 19-inch, two-tone alloy wheels po yan. Maganda ang design. Gusto ko parang spinning blades ang look. And apart from the orange lining na yan sa may baba, malinis ang look niya dito sa gilid. May cutout design sa may bandang baba at taas ng mga pinto. Black yung trim na ginamit around the windows at okay din tong EV line na emblem na nilagay. It is simple pero nagbibigay siya ng konting sporty character sa kanya. Dito naman sa likod, dito it's a mix of being sporty and curvy at the same time. Sharp ang pagka-layout ng mga taillights. May makikita rin kayong cutout design na yan, yung accent na yan. At ito po ay naka-power tailgate po yan. That is the charging port o dyan charge yung fast charging. Pagkakaalam ko, yan po yung kaliwa na yan. At sa kabila naman, yan po yung kanyang domestic charging. Merong wiper blades dito sa likod at ang elegant din ng added design accent na to, which is the 14 emblem right across. At yung mismong Friday na emblem dyan sa may banda baba on the right side na iba ang ginamit na font, okay din eh. May look siya ng pagka-younger appeal, parang ganon. Dito naman tayo sa interior niya. Pagpasok mo dito sa likod, on the second row seat, kitang-kita yung pagka-premium materials na mga ginamit from the door panels and the leather seats. May AC vents po at yan may charging port. And I can say space is okay for 3 person. Pero kung dalawa lang ang uupo dito sa likod, mas okay kasi tigisa sila ng AC vent at may center armrest complete with cup holders kaya chillax ka dito sa likod. And as you go to the front, yung dashboard, it looks really clean. Isang panel lang po ang instrument cluster with the infotainment system right there. At mas mapapansin mo na dito yung neon green design accent sa mga different parts dito sa loob. Mapapansin nyo yan. Malaki ang panoramic sunroof niya. I like the design of the AC vents. Itong bilog na yan. May mga neon green accents. Pansinin talaga. The way it is laid out, it has that simple look. Masasabi mo na madali lang siya magamay with everything that you see. Well, for sure, talaga naman mangyayari yan, lalo na kung ito magiging everyday car mo. Pero in a way, gusto kong sabihin na ang dating dito, it's all calm. Kalmado ang look niya. Though everything is set and controlled electronically, it kind of gives this vibe or look na, don't worry, I am well made and you can depend on me. Parang ganun ang sinasabi niya sa'yo. The seats, may pagka-sporty pocket seats ang design, and you will like this driver seat kasi meron po siyang massage function. Kaya peaceful at relax ka dito. Kahit na nasa stop and go traffic ka. Ingat lang at prone to scratches tong center console. Ayan, dito sa may controls, may compartment po yan. At may center armrest. Ang ganda rin ng control gear selector. Bilang electric vehicle, simpleng-simple lang. There is park, reverse, and drive. Pero may iba't iba siyang mga driving modes. Kaya punta na tayo sa features niya. At kasama na rin dito ang power unit niya. Unahin na natin yung kanyang safety systems, yung kanyang advanced driver assistance systems. Meron siyang forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, lane keep assist, lane centering assist, traffic jam assist. Meron din siyang highway assist at intelligent high beam control. Tilt and telescopic ang kanyang steering adjustment. At yung kanyang shifter nga, it's a crystal design. Drive modes niya, meron siyang eco, normal, and sport. Meron siyang automatic climate control sa kanyang air conditioning system. Meron siyang heating, cooling, seat function. Electronic po ang adjustment ng kanyang mga upuan. Diyan sa harap sa driver. Meron siyang keyless system, start-stop button. Auto folding ang mga side mirrors niya. Power windows. Meron siyang cooling box compartment. Meron din siyang mobile phone bracket mounting po. And along with that, marami pong airbags to. May immobilizer, central door locking, child lock, isofix tether, parking distance control, at meron siyang 540-degree HD panoramic camera. At sa power na pinoproduce niya, well, it has this electric motor. Sa two variants niya, merong 430 EV at ang 630 EV. So from that name alone, mileage po niya is around 430 at meron din siyang 630 kilometer variant. Kaya malayo mararating mo in one full charge. Motor peak power is 150 kilowatts, 340 ang kanyang newton meters of torque. That's a lot of torque. 45 minutes po ang fast charging niya from 30% all the way to 80%. Not bad. At ang kanyang normal or slow charging pag sa bahay na or yung domestic charging, it's 8 to 12 hours. So just charge it the whole night and you're okay. At meron din cooling function yung kanyang batteries. Adjustable energy recovery system. May charging interface with lock, charging status prompt light, and scheduled charging function. At dito po sa Dongfeng Motors, Pasig, dito po sa Metro Walk, ito ang price ng 14 Friday. Sa pagtatapos, ang naisip ko, sulit ba siyang bilhin in comparison? Sabihin na natin, pinagpipilian mo yung mid-size SUV na diesel na marami ka rin mapapagpilian in the market na talaga namang very dependable at talagang malalakas at mapaporma kasi nga along the same price sila. And you have to consider that gagamitin mo siya almost 90% of the time dito sa Metro Manila. With the traffic and the price of gas, mas nakikita ko ang value na mabibigay nito sa'yo on a daily basis. And with the impressive warranty na ino-offer nila, it is really not a bad deal at all to go electric. Ito po ang Dongfeng 14 Friday. If you found some value on this video, please do consider subscribing and hit that like button. Maraming salamat po. Drive safe. I'll see you on the next one.